Welcome to the MCG, the home of footy for the ANZAC Day blockbuster between Collingwood and Essendon. This promises to be another fascinating chapter in a long and proud ANZAC Day tradition. One side is in the top four, while the other is looking to push up into it. These two will be throwing everything at each other. The players are ready to charge onto the ground. Joins me. Who's your pick today, Half?
G'day, Hutto. I'm going with the Pies. They look a very good side and are certainly capable of kicking big scores. This is a match they should win, and I wouldn't be surprised to see them run away with it.
Thanks for those insights, Half. The two captains are in the middle. Time for the coin toss. The umpire holds the footy aloft. Draper wins the first tap. Solid tackle. I think he called for that. Dacos, he's set upon. Farms it out. Turns it over in the middle. He's stopped in his tracks. Well, that's not like him. Gets his kick despite the heat. Moore is there in defence. He's off. Ignoring the corridor for now. Mitchell has a vice-like grip. Sees an opportunity and plays on. Delivers a long ball. Elliott takes a beauty. Gives it everything. That's a strong mark.
This deserves a goal. Should be a goal.
It looks a good kick. It is. They've got the first.
They keep moving the ball quickly. There'll be plenty more where that came from.
The Pies have wasted no time getting on the scoreboard. Draper wins it. DeGoey. Terrific tackle. That's not a mark. Closed him down. Dacos. Perkins. One step ahead. He ran into a brick wall. Sloppy hands and they've turned it over. Side bottom. The kick's astray and out of bounds. Gary Lyon is here. Gaz, what are your thoughts on what we've seen so far?
It hasn't been a thrilling start to the match, but we've got two very determined sides doing everything they can to undermine each other.
Normally delivers. Dacos takes an excellent grab. Sees something he likes. Doesn't often waste it. Redmond clears the area. Crisp. He just dropped it. McStay. It's a high ball. Zerk-Thatcher saves the day. They'll contest in the centre square. Side bottom. Wins it back. Great mark. He hasn't struck that well at all. Luck's of fortune. It'll be a goal anyway. He's got it.
That's two. He's causing them plenty of headaches down there.
The Pies are having a lot of the play and making it count too. Draper showing his skills. Parrish. Hind. He's made a hot start to this match. Maynard wins the contest and can relieve the pressure. He's off. Can he find a teammate? Side bottom. Searching kick. Needed to be clean and wasn't. That's a bit of a waste. The Bombers looking shaky early. Away he goes. You can see their confidence growing. DeGoey has pushed deep and can have a shot. Only a question of who will get the goal. Myercheck will save his teammates' blushes. 3 in a row coming out. What a patch they're having.
The Pies are going from strength to strength. They've got all the answers at the minute.
The Bombers will be hearing alarm bells right about now. Good ruck work. Crisp. Crunching tackle. Mitchell. He'll feel that one. Hoskin Elliott. That's not 15. They're playing with purpose and poise. Ridley tries to spike it out of the danger zone. Myachev is so strong one-on-one.
This is what he gets paid to do, kick these goals.
He shouldn't have any trouble, and he doesn't.
The Bombers just can't get their hands on it. They're under siege.
It's all one-way traffic now. Rucks go at it. Crisp leading from the front. Good tackle. Dacos. It's a hot footy. Guelphy. Can he hit a target? He's plucked it and should have a shot.
They should be on the board with a goal.
Needs that to come back.
Well, you can't afford to dwell on it. Just got to make sure you get the next one.
Moore with the footy. The Pies have got out of jail. What a first term they're having. DeGoey. The Bombers are chasing tail. McStay! Too big, too strong, too good.
This would give him a shot of confidence.
Heads towards goal and does not let them down.
Essendon, where are you? The match has started.
The Pies have come with a rush and they might be unassailable soon. Draper wins it. It's a tough game. Cameron, he'll be sore in the morning. Hoskin Elliott. They want ball, but they're not going to get it. Cameron with a deft tap. Shield, he's suddenly a popular man. Hine delivers to centre half forward. Howe with the big fist. Setterfield, what's he got on offer? Redmond crosses the paint and the kick inside 50 lets them down. He's just about kicked the cover off it. Mitchell sees something he likes. Happy to be patient and wait for an opening. McStay uses the body well. That's a bruising tackle.
The umpire says you had prior opportunity.
Good handball. Hine. Can he be the fire starter? The Bombers are already chasing tail. They've got a lot of work ahead of them to make a game of this. Time for some more insights from Gary on the boundary.
The Pies really turned it on in that first quarter. They've well and truly thrown down the challenge. They've had a lot more of the footy and they look like scoring nearly every time they go forward. You've got to match them in close because they don't give the ball back as much as some sides do.
Thanks, Gary. As we get going again, plenty of heat in this game. Draper needing support. Throws it on the boot. Howe picks it off. That's poor kicking. Can anyone get to the drop zone? Hoskin Elliott is hard to beat one-on-one. They've got time to put the kettle on. Ginnivan can go back and shoot at goal.
He's not on the board yet. That should change here.
Drop punt looks good. He's got it.
The Pies are getting reward for their dominance, though you could argue they should be even further in front.
It's all gone to script for them so far. Plenty of work ahead, though, as we restart. DeGoey, Mitchell almost threw it out. Guelphy. He loves to run and carry. Great footy. They're hard to stop when they move the ball like that.
To inject some life into this contest.
Drop punt. That'll be a goal. Never in doubt.
He has produced a clinical finish there to cap off a terrific passage of play.
The Bombers have been outplayed, but they're hanging tough. Draper punches it out of the ruck. Attracted a crowd. They cannot keep him quiet. Dacos met solidly. Quaynor blasts away. Hoskin Elliott. Sees something he likes. Maybe he could have gone himself. Good disciplined defence. Side bottom. That might attract a pack. Howe. Penetrating ball. Defence 101 there. Elliott is a real pocket rocket. It's a desperate tackle. He's been busy so far. Not enough talk out there. He should have marked it.
Gaz, what's caught your eye?
The Pies might be in front, but there's room for improvement with their kicking. They've been sloppy at times.
Setterfield. No easy exit. Shield. Useful hand pass. Clever kick. Redmond. Greg Williams would have been proud of that one. Zerk Thatcher can run and carry. The Pies have all the answers. He's off. What a game he's having. McStay is the man on the spot and is marked.
To push the margin beyond 30.
That's offline. Didn't really give it a chance.
It's a disappointing miss, but it created an opportunity that perhaps not many would have.
Ridley tasked with the kick in. Elliott couldn't mark, so he brings it to ground. Terrific forward pressure. He's everywhere at the moment.
Lost his radar there.
Wanting to get on with the job. Hine working hard and being rewarded. Good hands. That'll work. The Bombers might be able to start something. Heppel. Another goal and they'll believe. A promising build-up amounts to nothing. Great smother. Dacos mops that one up. Will the umpire pluck a free kick? Uses the non-preferred. Moore with a terrific mark deep in defence. Sees an opportunity and plays on. Going for territory. Heppel making his claim for the Golden Fist Award. Into the pocket he goes. Well, I suppose if you're going to turn it over, that's not the worst place. Good penetration on the kick. Outbodies his opponent and took a ripper. Crisp. Bangs it long. Kelly takes it on the half-back flank. He doesn't waste many. Heppel marks on centre wing. That's skillful. Almost an accidental intercept. A bit of a panicked handball.
Lots to analyse, Gaz. What stands out?
The Bombers not going to be able to get back into this match if they don't start winning more of the footy.
Draper with the tap. Shield in the thick of it as ever. That play should have resulted in a shot at goal. Sees something he likes. The Pies can smell blood. Pendlebury. They're a big chance here. Myercheck. Strong grab.
This will be number 5 if the kick is straight.
He's a quality finisher, and that's more evidence.
A case of too strong and too good. I don't think there was much more the defender could have done.
It's not over yet, but it might be soon. Draper gets his hand to it. Shield closed him down. Hine, Guelphy knew the tackle was coming. He's set upon. They might be caught out on the turnover. Parrish. Can they find a late goal? Honours the lead.
Would be an understatement to say they need this.
Touch and go.
The Bombers have done well to stabilise, but at some point they need to apply some scoreboard pressure.
They've pulled one back, but they need plenty more where that came from. He ran into a brick wall. Might be time for one more score here. Wiedemann, desperate defence. A chance to clear now. Dacos. The Pies lead it by 5 goals at the major break, but this one's far from decided. Gary's back. What's caught your eye, Gaz?
The Bombers need to turn things around this quarter. Their supporters will expect more effort and the coach will demand it. I'm not for a moment suggesting that they're not having a go, but neither have they been frenetic like we know they can be. As Paul Roux says, there's effort and there's absolute effort.
Good on you, Gary. Thank you. The big men fly. He's stopped in his tracks. The interchange bench might be calling after that blue. Kicks to a contest. Dacos with a superb relieving mark at centre-half back. He's off. The Bombers have denied them the corridor. Mitchell. This might be a chance for the high flyers. Hoskin Elliott has a vice-like grip.
You'll have to give it a ride to get it home from there.
Will it roll through? Myercheck had his name written all over it. It's a goal.
The Bombers are in real danger of taking a big percentage hit now.
The Pies showing why they were well back to win this match. The two big men do battle. He's under close attention. That's not 15. That'll be play on. Out of the congestion. Hoskin Elliott with an opportunity. I've liked his game today. Ginnivan got to the right position and hung on. Fighting tooth and nail not to give up a goal.
If they keep getting this kind of supply, the scoreboard's going to get real ugly.
The Pies might be about to land a knockout blow. Cameron gets his hand to it. Crisp, good tackle. De Goey, Redmond chops it off. He's so clean with the footy. Martin has a paddock in front of him. Can he impose himself on the match? He's plucked it and should have a shot.
It's been a dark day, but that was a more positive passage of play, and it should result in a goal.
There goes the kick, and he's put it through.
The Bombers not out of this by any stretch of the imagination.
Maybe there's a glimmer of hope, just a glimmer. Draper got his palm to it. Crunching tackle, Mitchell. It's a hot footy. That didn't travel far enough. It's a tough game. He's generally a good kick. Martin, he's got support. Redmond, centering ball. And inside 50 goes begging. Side bottom, keeps it low. He didn't break stride. They're huffing and puffing. That's a strong mark. Sees an opportunity and plays on. They're cutting them to ribbons. Kelly, ever reliable. Good kick. Shield. Thought his way through it. McDonald tipping Woody. Has it at half forward. It's hard to find a winner for them today. Moore wins the contest and can relieve the pressure. And they're away. De Goey read it well and claims the mark. Good looking kick. Spud Frawley would have loved that one. Ridley. Dacos takes an excellent grab. Big ball to be won here. Cameron wins the contest hands down. They'll compete inside the 50. Myercheck, great body work. McCreary, it's there.
There's a clear golfing class, and this match is in danger of fizzling out.
The Bombers are on the canvas. Cameron showing his skills. Crisp, sweeping handball. De Goey gets the kick away. Who's front and centre? Kelly. He's wrapped up. McStay under pressure. Hoskin Elliott puts his head over it. That's a bruising tackle. Ridley desperate to win it back. They'll sweep this ball forward. Parrish playing for pride now. Stringer marks inside 50 and can have a shot. Setterfield, good use of hands. Caldwell takes the responsibility, just needs to finish. Finish he does.
It eases the pressure on the forwards when you have midfielders chipping in.
Can they follow that goal up with another? Cameron, the winner there. Mitchell, it's no place for the faint-hearted. De Goey, he's run into trouble. On the non-preferred, Howe wins it back. Great mark. Goes long. McCreary. Can anyone take a mark? Myercheck. That one was always his. This will be a close thing.
He's just not giving the ball back, which makes it hard for any team.
The Bombers might need to crack open plan C in a minute. Jones got his palm to it. De Goey, he's been dispossessed. They're going nowhere and will have a stoppage near the centre. Jones wins the hit out. Parrish, he's caught. Perkins, intercepted, and they can launch from half-back. Sees something he likes. Kicks to space. The Pies have winners everywhere. They'll bide their time. Crisp takes a beauty. He's given it everything. Will it clear the goal line? McGrath taking no chances.
Gets it to safety.
Away he goes. That's no mark. McGrath brings it back in. That was a brilliant tackle. Oh, they're hitting in hard. Jones wins it down. Setterfield. Perkins. He's so good in close. This is promising. His field kicking is normally first rate. McDonald tipping Woody. He's done brilliantly. Right, can go back and shoot at goal.
The Bombers with a late chance.
Looks good off the boot. He's got it.
They want to get it in his hands as much as they can with finishing like that.
What's happening down there, Gary?
The Pies fully deserve their lead, and they've been better in most areas. But one that stood out to me is their intercept marking. They've almost known on occasions what their opponents were going to do before they knew themselves.
I'm inclined to agree. Thank you, Gaz. Jones has rucked tirelessly. Parrish, Heppel. Through the centre square he goes. Dacos cuts it off. He's off. He's kicked it high. Cameron. Drives it inside the forward 50. It's a poor entry. A waste, really. He might have thought about the corridor. Heppel is hard to beat one-on-one. Setterfield. That's a quality hand pass. Guelphy. Golden opportunity here. He's off target, and he hasn't got the distance anyway. Maynard ensures there's no second chance. Up and under. Outbodies his opponent and took a ripper. Quick kick towards centre half forward. He's normally better than that. McStay absorbs the pressure. Elliott, Myercheck. Look at the desperation. Met solidly. He's got an option in the centre square. Mitchell read it well. Who was he aiming for? That's an impressive mark.
For a lead in excess of 40 points.
Ginnivan has one already. Now it's two.
He hasn't had a big impact, but he's still found a way to kick a couple.
The Pies, in this form, would challenge anybody. Jones got his palm to it. He'll field that one. Setterfield cops some unwanted attention. Cameron feeling the heat. Perkins looking to peg one back. Right, has it within range.
It's been a disappointing performance, but he can paper over a crack or two here.
We know how good he is in these situations, but not this time.
That passage of play deserved a better finish.
Quaynor goes towards half-back. Dacos uses the body well. Terrific tackle. Jones gets in the way. The aerialist will battle for this ball. Sees something he likes. The Pies are playing some great footy. They're a pleasure to watch. Sees an opportunity and plays on. The Bombers guarding the corridor. Mitchell. They're leading them a merry dance. Elliott marks. Will he go the bomb? The Pies continue to do as they wish. That's a fine mark in the back pocket, and they might have dodged a bullet. Dacos picks off the pass. They're irrepressible at the moment. McCreary appreciates that delivery. Here's a big chance. Can he take it? No, he's missed.
An ugly-looking scoreboard should probably be looking even uglier.
Ridley with the footy. Laverde working hard and being rewarded. Probing ball. Setterfield. McGrath in some space now. Good work rate. Not a lot of positives today. The Pies have all the answers. Away he goes. Just waiting for the right moment to press go. Redmond read it well. Pendlebury got a fist in. Merritt. They sorely need a goal, and he delivers.
The Bombers have obviously had a tough day, but that was much better play.
There's one crack papered over. The big men fly. Merritt. Can he force his way through? Guelphy. No wonder the forwards are frustrated. They've got winners all over the park. Setterfield. He'll be sore in the morning. That sloppy play, and it could come back to bite. They've put themselves under pressure. Kicks inside the forward 50. Martin heads for the pocket. And a moment for the players to catch their breath.
Gaz, what's caught your eye?
The Bombers aren't getting much value out of their clearance dominance, and that can be very deflating.
Punch clear. Mitchell. He just keeps racking up disposals. This might well cost them a goal. It's fallen short. It's a high kick. A real rainmaker. De Goey looking for some quick ball movement. Kicks to half forward. Hoskin Elliott wanting to get on with the job. Was that a legal disposal?
He had prior opportunity.
Side bottom. Parrish. There goes the kick inside the 50. Martin! Strong grab.
He'll fancy his chances.
Heads for home. It's close. What does the goal umpire say?
That's what they call a good old-fashioned clanger.
How? Great hands there. Sees something he likes. He's got under that one.
Bad kicking there, out on the full. Already got one today.
He couldn't miss this, could he? The Pies were never really threatened. It was a workmanlike performance from them. On behalf of Daniel Harford, Gary Lyon and myself, Anthony Hudson, we hope you've enjoyed this match and we look forward to your company again soon. The Pies, too good today as the umpire raises his arms for full time. On behalf of Daniel Harford, Gary Lyon and myself, Anthony Hudson, thanks for your company. We'll catch you again soon.